How to find someone on Snapchat without username or number. Hi everybody, if you're trying to do that, you can follow the steps. So open up your Snapchat, and after that you can use the built-in features. One of them is add friends section. So all you gotta do is head over to the add friends section here, and you can go ahead and tap on this plus icon in the top, add friend, and here you should be given suggestions by the Snapchat itself with the mutuals. So all you gotta do is go ahead and add the people from this find friend section if you don't want to use your username or number. And along with that, you can also use the search bar within the app. So at the top of this section, you should be finding a search bar at the top left. Tap on it, and you can use the search bar in order to search for the people that you're trying to look for. So that is it for now. These are the methods you can follow up if you want to find someone on Snapchat without their username or number. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.